Welcome to Sun Academy, Chapter 11. We are going to see the part 4 in this session. We are going to construct the right angle triangle and 5/3 of the right angle triangle. The similar triangle of the 5/3. 5/3 means here improper fraction. So this is a question number 7. Draw a right angle in right triangle. Right triangle, you know, it is 90 degree in which the sides other than the hypotenuse is given. Length is 4 and 5. Other than the hypotenuse 5. So draw the rough diagram. 4 centimeter, base is 3 centimeter. 4 and 3. Sorry, 4 and 3. And then construct another triangle such that whose sides are 5/3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So it is a right angle triangle. We know it is 90 degree, and we have to construct another triangle such that that 5/3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. We have to construct now the triangle. How we are going to construct? Let me see. You know how to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, you know how to construct the angle. We should not use the compass. We should construct the triangle. Now how the base is now 5/3 means it will be bigger than the given triangle. So we have to construct such that before we have done the smaller triangle inside 2/3 means inside. Now 5/3 means outside. So that should be bigger than the 5/3 means it's bigger than the given triangle. That what we are going to construct triangle is bigger than the given triangle. How we are going to construct? Let me see. The procedure is same for what we have done for the same in previous part 2 also, part 3 also. The same thing we are going to do here, part 4 also. So draw a line segment 3 centimeter. Draw a line segment 3 centimeter from A to B to C, and then B to C. Then next mark it as a BC. And you know how to construct a 90 degree by using the compass. You should not use the protractor. By using the compass we have to construct a 90 degree. Take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter, cut an arc semicircles, and from that you have to cut another arcs. That semicircle you have to construct, and then cut from that point, and then 120 you can construct otherwise, and then you can from the two arcs you have to cut another arcs which is meeting at the this two that mark as a 90 degree, then compulsory it will be 90 degree. So, okay, and from B now construct how many, what is the length? 4 centimeter. Now use the compass and ruler, take 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter from B cut an arc. From B cut an arc and join. Now mark it as A. Mark it as A. Join A to C. Join AC. After joining, you have to construct a similar triangle. That is, now this is a right angle triangle. So given they told to construct a right angle triangle. Now we have to construct another right angle triangle such that that should be 5/3 of the given triangle. How it is going to be, let me see in this. So now ABC is a 5/3 of the triangle we have to construct. Then A dash B C dash will be 5/3 of the ABC. A dash B C dash will be 5/3 of then BC dash will be 5/3 of the BC, and BC dash by BC is equal to 5/3. That ratio we have to take. 5 BC dash by BC will be 5/3. So let me see the here how we are going to construct the 5/3 of this one. So now you know how to construct the 5/3. You have to take acute angle. So now take scale and then draw a acute angle to construct a parallel line, then only we can able to draw a acute angle, mark a point, then cut how many, what is the denominator? 5 3, but here which is a bigger number, 5 or 3 or 5. So whenever the fraction is a scale factor you are constructing, you have to take bigger number. You have to take bigger number. So 5 parts are the bigger number 5. So I have cut 5 1 centimeter. Name it as a B1, B2, B3, B4. You can name it as a B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now join, what is that? BC will be 3 parts. Then you take the 3 parts. Third part is B3. Now join denominator. Whenever you are doing, join with the denominator. Bigger number you have to cut off and then join with the denominator. Join denominator is 3 means 3 third part you have to join to that end of the line. So join now. Then B3C is the three parts. Now we are going to construct 5 parts. One. So extend the line BC. Now from B5 to we have to draw the parallel line such that B3C should be parallel to the B3C. You know how to draw the parallel line. Take 1 centimeter, cut an arc, then same width, same radius we have to cut from B5, cut from B5, then measure the width of that arc where that sector, measure the width of the sector, and then from there we are also cut. Now join the B5 to that meeting point. Then this will be parallel to the B3C. This will be parallel to the B3C. Then once it is parallel, then we can say this BC dash by BC will be 5/3. BC dash will be 5/3 of the BC. 5/3 of the BC. Now we have to construct triangle. So for that one we have to draw another parallel line through the AC. How we are going to take? Same way, take 1 centimeter, cut an arc with the same radius from C dash also cut an arc. Now again measure the width, and then with the help of that width you have to construct that point you have to draw an arc on the previous arc. Now you will get, it will meet. Now from C dash at that point you have to extend this line, then only we can able to join that line. So now from here you can construct. Now after joining these two lines you will get the A dash. So A dash B will be 5/3 of the AB. A dash B will be 5/3 of the AB. Same way BC dash also. 5/3 of the BC, and A dash B will be 5/3 of the AB. So this is the A dash BC dash is the 5/3 of the ABC. 5/3 of the ABC. The triangle A dash B C dash is the 5/3 of the ABC, and BC will be 3 parts means C dash will be 2 parts. The totally 5 parts. The angles will be equal because their lines are parallel. Corresponding angles are equal. We can prove. You know how to draw the triangle A dash B C dash will be similar to triangle ABC. Now let me see the verification. So how to draw, how use verification, check is it correct or not. So BC dash by BC will be equal to A dash B by AB will be equal to 5 by, or one more, what is that, A dash C dash by AC equal to, all will be 5 parts, down denominator will be 5 by 3. So this way we can able to do the similar triangle of the improper fraction. It is called increased scale factor. We can call it as a increased scale factor. By this way we can able to complete the increased scale factor and decreased scale factor. Thank you, children.